Welcome to your SEO Audit Guide. An SEO audit is a thorough assessment of your website, reviewing its performance and competitiveness according to SEO standards. It pinpoints issues and suggests enhancements. It's a roadmap for digital marketing, boosting visibility and organic traffic. Unlock your website's potential with an SEO audit. SEO audits are vital for your website's health, optimizing performance to rank higher in search results. They highlight areas of improvement, streamline your marketing efforts, and track your SEO strategy's success. Additionally, they assist in competitor analysis, refining your strategy. Simply put, SEO audits are your digital detectives, directing you towards a more result-oriented SEO approach. SEO audits are like health checks for your website. They diagnose and treat issues, your practices enhance user engagement. By analyzing competitors, they refine your strategy. The benefits are huge, so why not start an SEO audit today? SEO isn't easy. A robust SEO strategy incorporates keyword research, on-page optimization, and technical SEO, among other tactics. Each aims to improve website elements and user experience. Master these strategies for successful SEO. Keep in mind, SEO is a marathon requiring time and effort, but the rewards are substantial. Google is more than a search engine. It offers free tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics for monitoring traffic, and page speed insights for speed. Boost your site's visibility with these resources. Watch your SEO thrive. SEM and SEO, two vital strategies. SEM uses paid tactics for quick results, like a fast-trained SEO is a slow, organic approach. Knowing their interplay is essential for a balanced strategy. Let's dive into an SEO audit. This is a website health check analyzing performance and improvement areas. We'll set objectives, assess site structure and content, use SEO tools, and examine backlinks competitors. Regular audits ensure strategy alignment. Turn insights into action with a strategic audit. So, why an SEO audit for your website? It's a health check resolving issues and enhancing user experience. It offers competition insights, aligns your site with SEO norms, and refines your strategy. Essentially, it's a catalyst for website improvement, a must for SEO success. In the smartphone era, mobile optimization is crucial. It boosts SEO as mobile users often browse and shop via phones. Thus, businesses need to have a smooth mobile website experience, including fast loading, easy navigation, and clear content. This enhances SEO performance and user engagement. Hence, mobile optimization is pivotal in the SEO game. Wrapping up, SEO audits are key to enhancing websites. They optimize your site, boost rankings, and use techniques like keyword research. Google offers audit tools. Regularly auditing is key to an effective SEO strategy. Master this and unlock your site's potential. Thanks for tuning in. Visit MediaAceMarketing.com to learn more.